Hi, welcome to Flower of the series. I'm Deepika, an intuitive energy healer and a floral alchemist. Today's flower is the Zinnia flower, which comes in variety of colors. It's so vibrant to see, and it is a symbol of endurance because it blooms from midsummer all the way until frost. It also symbolizes lasting friendship, goodness, and remembrance. The zinnia flower essence helps us to connect with our inner light-hearted child. It instills so much of joy, adventure, and possibility in us, relaxing us and play like a innocent kid. Now, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Visualize the zinnia flowers blooming in front of you with its wide variety of colors. Helping us opening our heart, dropping down our seriousness, defensiveness, bringing in a sense of joy, adventure, fun, seeing life full of playfulness. Imagine yourself immersed with the essence of this beautiful flower, bringing more happiness and joy and comfort. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Thank you. If you like this video, do share and subscribe.